Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, living room slash kitchen, that's what it is. I'm gonna make a pork dish and it's gonna be secreto, which is like the part of the pork between the shoulder and the loin. And it is what they say in Spain, the best secret from the pork meat. Like Secreto Iberico, that is one of the best pork cuts of meat from Spain, from the Iberian black pig. And here I got Secreto, but not from Spain, it's right here from the Netherlands. That's what it says on the package. Ripened pork meat. And this is what it looks like out of the package. It really resembles the Secreto Iberico. Just look at all the marbles inside the meat. This has a lot of intramuscular fat. That means the fat inside the muscle. This looks beautiful. For the seasoning, I'm gonna keep it very simple. Just some salt and black pepper, because I want the flavor of the meat itself. Something like this, and then both sides, of course. And then I'm just gonna massage some olive oil in there. Both sides as well, before I will put it in a grill pan. And by the way, this is only half of the package, which contains 2 cuts. 500 gram, this is about 250 gram, must be enough. In the grill pan. So this is gonna be in the grill pan for about 45 minutes. Flip it over. I'll leave this to rest and prepare my vegetables. The side dish. In this hot wok, I'm gonna put my vegetables, shallots, and radish and carrot. Everything at the same time. The heat is on quite high. I'm gonna just toss this around. Plus I'm going to put a little bit of spice, black pepper, thyme, and oregano. That is a little bit pink on the inside, just really a little bit. Now that is tender. You just have a radish. Carrot. Beautiful rustic vegetables. They go well with this kind of meat, with game, any kind of game, any kind of pork, beef as well. This is pork. These layers of marbled fat give the meat such a juicy flavor. And that is good, that is, yeah, very good. Got a couple of slices of bread to go with it. And of course you can eat this with potatoes, fries, even rice. It's all okay. It all suits the dish. I love these vegetables, especially the radish. I like the vegetables like sauteed, but like when they be half raw even. It's more fresh and they're more healthy. Now that is juicy, that is a really juicy meat, yeah. I think they got a real Iberian pig, the black pig, from Spain to Netherlands. I read about this, I did some research about this. So some companies have the black pigs in the Netherlands, and probably they even feed them the same food as they get in the interior of Spain, which is like mushrooms, grass, all kinds of herbs from the forest, plus the acorns which fall down from the oak trees in the fall, from November to March I think it is. That is a nice bit of secreto. Beautiful stuff this is. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.